What is going on? So today I'm going to be changing the turn signal bulb on this 2015 Ford Taurus, and pretty straightforward. I'm going to do the passenger side first because once again we have to remove the air box to get to the other side. So this is what you do first. See that orange plug right there? Turn it counterclockwise, pull the bad boy out. Look, there your orange plug is. You just pull it out and then you put the new one back in, and you just put the bulb back where you got it from. Turn the housing counterclockwise and it locks right into place. Check it out, it's back there. To actually check if it works, all I'm gonna do is hit the unlock button and it's working. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side, but we have to remove the airbox. For the other side, what we have to do is remove the air box here, not the whole intake, just the air box here. So what you want to do first is, this is the mass airflow sensor, so under this plug here there's going to be a red tab, and what you want to do is you want to pull it out. It won't come out completely, you'll just hear it just click. See, clicked out, and then you unplug the harness. So this is the red tab. When you first open it, it's locked, it's closed, but what you want to do is open it and then squish this and then pull it out, and it comes out just like that. There's going to be two clips, one clip over here and then one clip over here, and then this, you can pull it out. It might require a little bit of force, so once you get it lifted, just pull it that way. Once you lift it up, pull it that way, and this will be out of your way. And then once that's out of your way, don't take it off completely because it is connected to there. So just let it hang over here, and what you want to do is remove two 8mm screws. So one's going to be here, one's going to be here. Remove them, and then basically the air box at the bottom just comes off, and then we're going to change the bulb for the driver's side. Once you get both the screws out, put them in your pocket or somewhere you won't lose them, and then hold this up with one hand and then lift that air box out with the other. Make sure you pull hard, but also look around, make sure there's nothing in the way. So these clips, what I do is I just put them in because there's some coolant hoses here and I don't want them to break, and this just comes out like that. And don't put it on the ground, leave it like I just put mine right there. Alright guys, air box is out. Just gonna remove that orange plug, so turn it counterclockwise. Give me a second. Counterclockwise, pull it up, check it out, that's the orange bulb. And then we're just gonna put it back in the same housing we got it from after changing it. Just turn it clockwise and it'll lock right into place. So counterclockwise to unlock it, clockwise to lock it. There we go.